The new Ukrainian offensive in the north of the country, in the vicinity of Kharkiv, surprised the Russian army and the Russians suffered heavy losses. The new offensive along with the ongoing one on Kherson have produced a ton of new footage, and now we're going to see the best ones. This is an Ukrainian soldier during an assault firing M2 heavy machine gun and an AT-4 from a Humvee. Video of a catastrophic strike on a Russian tank. Most likely a T-90M, though hard to be sure. Ukrainian forces with 3 captured or damaged trucks and a BMP-3.
А вообще ранок. Наколотили мужчинки за ночь. Передавайте нашим, що ми їбашимо.
Video from showing a Russian Su-25 that was shot down in the Volokhiv Yar area. Russian sources say the pilot survived.
Yeah! Yeah!
On the abandoned Russian paratrooper unit at Barak, Kharkiv region. Russians left behind all ammunition and shells.
Але сама позиція це Байрак. Під Балаклією воно все кинуте. Там далі знаходяться російські БК. Там бліндажі їхні кинуті.
Форма, речі, все, що було.
Все, що є. І форма речі. Кинуло вже снаряди до неї, правда? А це калібр 100? Це сотка. Прекрасно.
Video of a captured Russian BMP-1.
За ВДВ, блядь. ВДВ бежала вчера быстрее, чем Усейн Болт.
Вот эти все кварталы, один квартал, вот центральный улица.
Video of a Ukrainian PZH-2000 howitzer and a BM-21 graduate.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.